Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set bleed and margins in Affinity Studio. I'll show you how to do this for both a new document and also an existing document. For a new document, all you need to do is come here to the top left, click on File, click on New, and then from here on the right hand panel, you can toggle on margins and you can also toggle on bleed. Now for margin, you can go ahead and enter the size of these respective margins, left, right, top, bottom. And if you want, you can go ahead and toggle this one off if you want to unlink the margins between the different pages. So you want each page to have its own margin. I'll go ahead and link this one and bleed as well. You can go ahead and set this up and set the bleeds for each respective side. And then you just click on create document. If you have an existing document like I have right here, you just come to the top menu, click on document, hover over setup, click on document setup, and then here you'll see we have the whole document selected, and we can go ahead and adjust the margins here and bleed as well. And you can also change the colors for both the margin and bleed. So for margin, we'll go ahead and do green. And let's go ahead and set the margin. We'll leave this one to be linked for the whole document. Let's go ahead and make this one a 20, right? So there you go. It has been linked. And if you unlink, of course, you can change and make this one specific ones, right? As you can see right there. But I'll just go ahead and link the whole thing and leave this one at 20. And for bleed, we'll do 10. And we'll leave this color as this shade of purple. And then after that, you can click on OK. If you want, you can change this for selected spreads as well. So it'll only apply to page 2 and not page 1. I'll just do this one for the whole document. We'll toggle those on. And let me go ahead and enter the dimensions again. After you're ready, just go ahead and click here on OK. And as you can see, we have all of it set up. We have the bleed and margin set up. And that is how to set bleed and margins in Affinity Studio.